Educating others has always been something that's important to me. So, being able to educate everyone about one of the most important things is myself, and educating my class and everyone around me about who I am and what I do is important to me. I am a very busy person. I spend much of my time working or home with my dog and my family. I currently hold, I think it is 3 jobs. I am a YMCA branch coordinator for the YMCA in Glens Falls, but up here in Brant Lake, where I live at our Adirondack Center. My title as branch coordinator includes me as the assistant director and leader of all programs that we have at the center. I find it exciting to be able to speak to others and create programs for the youth and families that we have in this area. And it kind of goes along with my major field of wanting to become a teacher and educating others throughout my future and my lifetime. My other job is I do destination weddings. I am the head of guest services. I've done this job now for about 3 years, and it's just something that I very much love to do. I love seeing how people are on the day that they get married and they fall in love with that special someone in their life. So I think it's fun for all of us to want to fulfill our dreams and do what we want to do in life. And so my third job is as a substitute teacher, and that's actually the venue that I'm at today. I'm actually substituting as a middle school, high school math teacher, which is not within my major field. I am a English education major or childhood education. It kind of goes back and forth by the day. So having those opportunities to be able to work with kids and support others in my community really has a lot to do with who I am and what I want to do. My other important aspect of my life is being a volunteer firefighter. So here in Chestertown, we have a volunteer fire department, and I am in my second year as a volunteer with the fire department. I'm a fully certified interior firefighter, which means that I can go inside of a burning building and wear an air pack if need be. So being able to go in and save someone's house when they are in a situation where, they're exposed is the word that I'm looking for. They're exposed and unable to support themselves, and that's when they have to rely on their community members to be able to support them. So this is a generational thing that my family has always done, and a community service type thing. And being able to carry on this legacy and be a huge part of the fire department is important to me. And I'm very community oriented, so that's one of the main reasons that I joined the fire department. My final thing about me is how important my family is to me. And actually, my dog Haley is one of the most important things to me, and she is the love of my life. And I'm going to put up a picture of what Haley looks like and why she's important to me. I got Haley my senior year of high school. My friend and I actually bought her together, and things didn't work out between him and I ended up having to fight for custody of my own dog. And I know that sounds weird, but being able to fight for my own dog and have her in my life has always been a huge point for myself. So being able to have Haley, and she's been my biggest ally and my biggest supporter. There's not a whole ton to my life so far. I mean, I'm only in my second year of college, still trying to find that adulthood, but working 6 days a week and spending the rest of my time with family or supporting my community in some way has always been important to me. Thank you very much for listening.